Time to go to puppy class. Yeah. Hi. Okay. Alright, yeah, looks like a good parking spot. Yep, this is definitely is a much better time to go to puppy gym class. Yep, time to go. There's a camera in my face. Time for puppy gymnastics class. Oh, I see one of my students is here early. Hello, Mimsy. I hear you are a new member. Yes, I am. Yes. Welcome. Where's the other class? Oh, we're early. Oh, I see. Yep, we're early. Right. Hi, Miss Lulu. Oh, hey, Mims. Oh, gotta get cola for other people. This looks like it. Alright, now. Whew. That was a hard walk. Oh, hi, Brownie. Very nice to see you. Yeah, you weren't really paying attention to me, so, great. Why are you sniffing me? I said hello. Oh, hello, everybody. The one with the camera in my face. I'm Brownie. I'm Lulu. And I'm Mimsy from Mimsy Vlogs. And I'm Cassie. And welcome to the Gym of Pups. Yep, that's what it's called. The Gym of Pups. Yep. I'm the teacher, but she's just recording. Yep. So, yeah, I'm a celebrity because I'm from Mimsy Vlogs. I'm also a celebrity. I'm from Cassie Vlogs. I wonder when Pancake and Strawberry are gonna get here. Me too. Alright, you guys can practice. Sit. It's hard. It's hard. Let's see if I can do it. Alright, lay down on your belt. Lay down on your back so you'll get belly rubs. Damn. Okay. Alright, enough of that. I wonder where the bears are. You guys seen them from their introduction video? They haven't done a video since. Yeah, that's kind of weird for them to only do that video. Oh, that's right. Okay, there we go. That's Lulu's car. And that's Brownie's car. Because I'm a girl and he's a boy. Mimsy just kind of likes to walk here. Good exercise, Mimsy. Good exercise. Right ankle. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is how to roll over. So you start like this, and you go on your back, and then you turn onto your belly. You think you could do that? I can do that. Alright, go ahead, Brownie. See what you got. Alright, so roll over my tummy, and then woo! She can't roll over, so that's her turn. And now we're gonna learn how to talk properly, because a brownie just does this. Rah, 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 rah. You guys can only understand him because puppy language went on the camera. What? Who? Me? Yeah, I can understand it, but I don't think you guys can. Rah, 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 rah. Okay, so we're gonna learn how to say hello. Hello. No, hello. 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 That's gonna be over now. You know what? We're gonna drive home. Oh, alright. We're gonna drive home because class is over. I'm gonna park my vehicle right there. Oh, class is over. Better get right there. Mimsy likes to she likes to stay so she can work on her tricks. After hours, so bye, Mimsy. Bye. Alright, I'm going home and I live with her. Bye, guys. Bye. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, who do you like better? Me, Lulu, me, Brownie, or me, Mimsy, or me, Cassie from Cassie Vlog, and me from Mimsy Vlogs. See you later, guys. Bye.